year student in the chemistry department of the University of Bengkulu. I love chemistry because in chemistry we can learn how reactions that occur in everyday activity eh, can occur outside of academic activity. I enjoy my hobby which is running. Usually I often run in the afternoon. You're all watching this. Come on, accompany me on my afternoon run. Bye bye.
1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 5 kilometer is done. And next, see you next time, and bye bye.